I'm just going to show here. Here's a little cub track right there. See the little baby bear track? And it's a sow and a cub. Here's the sow track here. You can see the foot and the toes, and see how the claw marks are like way far away from the toes. That's a grizzly bear. That's a grizzly bear. So exciting. Here again, the toes. Here's your little guy right here again. See that right there? Little toes and little foot right here. See? There's a grizzly bear. I got a track here, track here, track here. And like, I mean, I haven't been up here. I came up today when I was driving, and I wasn't looking because I was trying to get some stuff done. I wasn't even looking for bear tracks, but it rained 2 days ago. You guys remember the I hate lightning video? Or I don't like lightning video. Anyway, I'm going to show you where my camp is if you can't already hear my dog. So the bear's right there, walking down this way. And my dogs have been going crazy looking down this way. And you can hear them. They're on the other side of those trees right there. Another bear track right here. We've got some grizzly bears in the area. Yay! How exciting. Right here, see the grizzly bear track? See the back pad toes and the claw marks here? It's the sow. How exciting, because the dogs keep barking down this way. And I was thinking it was wolves, but I guess we got a grizzly bear. How exciting. They're barking right now because I'm over here without them and they're mad. So